Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in the Google Play app, tap your profile icon in the top right to open account options. Once there, choose Payments and Subscriptions, and then Payment Methods so you can see stored cards. You do this now because removing a card requires selecting it from the listed methods. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. If not, switch accounts first. This avoids removing a card from the wrong profile and prevents accidental payment issues when you next buy apps or subscriptions. Now select the specific card entry, tap it to reveal options like Edit or Remove. You will see a Remove button. Tap Remove and confirm to delete the card from Google Play. If Remove is unavailable, make sure there are no active subscriptions, pending purchases, or family payment methods tied to that card. Once done, verify the card disappears from the list and that a different default method is set if needed. Make sure to update any recurring payments to prevent failed charges. Finish by reopening payment methods to confirm the card is gone and that another method is set as default if necessary. If the removal fails, sign out of your Google account, restart your device, and attempt removal again. This clears temporary sync issues. If problems persist, check browser payments. Google.com to remove the card from Google Payments directly and contact Google Payments support for stuck tokens. Remember, you cannot remove a card tied to an active subscription without switching that subscription to another valid payment method first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.